Hi. How's it going? Wake up!
You told me not to move. I need Vaseline. Oh man, I've been sitting here for a long time trying to make a YouTube video. So hey guys, how you doing? Peace, Andy's recording. Mr. Wolfpack, how you doing? Comments down below. They still don't excite me.
What?
Well, the comments down below, right? Okay. Sorry, it's a guy joke. Or transsexual joke. Or whatever fucking joke you want it to be. Okay, anyways, Wolfpack, I'm gonna have to sing a nice, beautiful song for you. Hey, Sandy, are you actually recording or you're just not paying any attention?
I'm recording.
Okay, good. Are you gonna fucking help?
How can I help?
So we're gonna make a video? Oh my god, interruptions.
Can we turn this off now?
No! I wasn't finished. Fuck,
I want to
man.
go to the store.
I think you should just sit there and wait so I can actually do a video.
Okay.
Now do you see me? Is it right here? Is that where the camera is?
Ah,
Right directly
your
there?
finger's pointing really straight.
Okay, good. So now I know where the camera action is. Okay? So it's right there.
Hey.
What?
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Just wait. I'm not done.
Checking his list to see who is naughty or nice, and I'm kind of feeling guilty, so I wrote a song.
It's talking to Adam.
So many presents, so little.
What a swell brat. I never understood this. That's probably why he's fat. I could be skinny. I'm Wolfpack. Don't you see? He's a Jewish motherfucker. Can't you see?
Santa don't like bad boys.
Oh, he likes the egg rolls in his arsehole.
Especially Jewish ones.
Well, that's what I figured. You got to get the foreskin off.
What I desire. So
I was just wondering how he did that while he was squatting there. I could understand Christmas is in my underwear. Oh shit. I don't need penguins to pick up my shit. I went to school 3 times. Oh, don't you know, Billy Madison?
I know what my problem is.
It's kind of screwed
Why
up
I
in
can't
the head.
It's a fear of intimacy.
Yeah,
You see, my whole life, whenever I met someone really great like you, and I keep feeling I'm getting too close to them, something inside me makes me want to screw it up. So in a weird way, the reason I'm so bad is because I love you so much, Santa.
I just love you, Santa, with that jelly belly.
Then I made a death threat to Vice President Gore.
It happens. Don't you know? I want to get off his lap. I said, stop screwing me in the asshole. Oh yeah, don't screw me in the asshole. Are we still talking about Jim Gallard? Oh, I want to put a bite in. No, Santa, oh please. Adam Sandler is living inside of me. It happens. I just like doing this, cause it's funny to tease. Oh, those are stinky socks, even though they look like candy canes.
It's Saturday.
Some to you with those feet fetishes. Hey, you! Merry Christmas in the summer. From Wolfpack. Tune in the recording. Hope you enjoy. Have fun. Bye. See ya. Holy shit. I mean, fuck that stinks.
It was for Roy Williams' father, and it probably is for you too.